If you have to choose what part of your house should be impeccably clean, it should be your bathroom. Kitchens should be clean too, but they get easily messy because of all the cooking and eating. The good news is that you can keep your bathroom clean all the time, and you can use the help of others. Ask everyone to rinse the sink after brushing their teeth. Make sure they pick their towels, and even help you clean the bathroom. Teaching your kids how to do household activities easily is one of the greatest things you will ever do. What is in your bathroom cleaning product? These products are fully packed with harsh chemicals. Bleach is the worst, especially for small children. Chlorine in bleach reacts with acids and releases toxic gases. Bleach is a known irritant and corrosive. It damages skin and any other organic material it comes in contact with. They contain 10 to 50% hydrochloric acid, or the acid that is in your stomach. It is associated with kidney damage and irritation of the respiratory tract when inhaled. Some products contain fragrances that trigger allergic reactions, headache, and irritate lungs. Be aware of any hormone disruptors. Use natural products. Ingredients: 1/2 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1/2 cup of cornstarch. Water put in a spray bottle. Zip top bag, gallon size. Essential oils, for cleaning lemon or orange, 25 drops essential oils. Also get a mold. You can use a muffin tin for adequate storing. Instructions: make sure you wear a medical mask while preparing the toilet bombs. Next, you should combine baking soda and the citric acid. In a spray bottle, mix the essential oils, and spray a bit, while stirring slowly, in order not to let it fizz away. If not damp enough, you can add a bit of water in the bottle. Yet, always be cautious, as excess moisture will make the citric acid fizz, and the bombs will not explode when you will use them. Next, place the mixture in silicone molds, and leave them to dry for 6 hours. Afterward, store the bombs in some container, with a lid. Use. All you need to do is to drop a bomb prepared in this way into the toilet bowl, and stand back. It will not explode, of course, but it will fizz a lot, leaving the toilet completely clean, and smelling nice.